So I got my hands on this Grenaro wireless mic, which is super affordable and also a must have for all the beginner content creators just like me. So this is not just an unboxing video, I'm going to explain how to use this product in detail. So watch this video until then. So this is my recent purchase from Amazon and I have put the link in the description box. When we open, we can see there is a transmitter first, then this is the receiver, and here we can see the user manual. Also there is a warranty card. So it is already written here that within 30 days of the purchase we have to activate this warranty card. So either you can scan the QR code or you can go to this website to activate your warranty. All the details are given. And also in this box you have another sponge head and also a Type-C charging cable. So these are the products we get while unboxing this. You can see in this user manual they have given the diagram and all the details and also how to use. So here this is the windproof net, and then this is the microphone like indicators, and then this is the charging port of the microphone, and here is a clip that we clip it to our clothes, or we can just hold the mic as per our comfort, however you want. And then the switch key is here. We can on and off the microphone. And then on the receiver part, this is where we connect it to our phone, and these two are the indicators. And there is a port here, like while you're vlogging or anything, like if your mobile battery is low, then you can connect to the charger here, and that's how you use. This is another sponge head we have. This is the Type-C cable. So now I am going to show like how to use this. You take the receiver, you can connect it to your phone. So you can see that there is two blinking blue lights. So once you connect it with the mic, it will become a steady blue light. Then you can take your mic here, you can press it for 3 seconds, and you can press it for 3 seconds and you can see a green light here. That is where it connects with the receiver, and you can see that the blue lights is being steady. Now you can start vlogging. Now there is 3 levels of noise cancellation. So you can see here, now it's green. When we hold it, like press it for once, this is, you can see it blinks one time. This is the level 1 of noise cancellation. If you press it again, 2 lights, blinking lights, that is the second level. And again if you press, you can see it 3 times. This is the third level of noise cancellation, and I think this is the best suitable. Like even if you are indoor, I think you can go for the third level itself. Now I will show you like how is the audio like at level 1, level 2 and level 3. And also there is a mute option. That is you have to click it thrice and you can see it goes for mute option here. This is the mute option. This is the indicator like the mic is on, and the third one is the charging indicator. So for charging the mic, you can just use the Type-C, this cable, and you can charge the mic. So for that I will just show you. here. Now I'm going to charge the mic. You can see a red indicator, that is the mic is on charge, and when the charge is full it will show like a blinking red light. So that is when the charge is full. So now I am right under the fan and I'm not using any mic. So I'm going to show you the audio. So this is the normal audio without mic. I'm going to connect the receiver. Once the receiver is connected, then you can only speak through mic. Other audios or voices will be cut. Green light, steady blue light, and then this is the audio now. I'm going for level 1 noise cancellation. This is level 1 noise cancellation. This is level 2 noise cancellation. This is level 3 noise cancellation. So you can now know the difference in the audio, like the first audio and right now. I think level 3 is the best. Like now I'm right under the fan. So yes. So that is how the Grenaro wireless mic is used. So this, I think it is for 850 rupees. I purchased from Amazon. I will share the link in the description box. So if you want, you can purchase. Yeah. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. And also if you purchase, please comment in the comment section and just let me know. Bye.